Hello and welcome back to the channel. We are going to get right into this video. We are starting off with Cleopatra from Nail Addict. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as well as follow my Instagram, and coming up shall be my TikTok. Okay, so this video is a little crazy because you're going to see me painting on long nails, but then the design ends up being shorter. And the reason for this is because of the stamping that I wanted to do. So it looks there, and then you see here it goes to a shorter nail. So I redid it, and this particular nail gets red chrome. I got the chrome off Amazon. I'll leave that in the description below. So you just use chrome your typical way. You top coat, no wipe top coat, and then you put the chrome on. I just rubbed it in, and it was very, very pretty. I love the way this nail looked. I'm kind of mad I actually covered it up a little bit. So then we're using Kiara Sky's Big Apple. And again, see, again on here I'm showing you I painted a long nail, but it actually ended up being shorter because of the stamping that I did. I'm also including mistakes in this video, which I thought about not doing, but I wanted to show progress, and not everything can be perfect, and just real life. So we're using Maniology's M039 plate, and I was using that candy cane stripe area, and here's what happened. My stamper was actually not big enough. So on both of the red nails, my stamper was not big enough. You see there's still a little bit of that bottom part there. So you kind of see a little bit of a demarcation area, but such is life. The rest of the nails are going to get 2 coats of perfect white, and those are going to get bling placements. Again, I have footage of the longer nails, not me painting the short. This set did give me a hard time a little bit. I didn't plan this one out too well. How is everyone's holiday season? I hope you're having a better holiday season than I am. Things have been a little crazy. I apologize for the lack of content. I did want to do a whole lot more, but unfortunately this time of year is a little rough for me personally. I hope it is better for you. And so that is why there is a lack of content. I will have a couple more videos up, but it will be slowing down for the rest of this year so that I can regroup and, refocus, realign very quickly. I did actually have my first sale for my press-ons. I did for a friend, so I'm very excited about that, and it's quite encouraging. But getting back to the video, we are doing some nail placements, some gem placement as usual. I am using a charm from Shein that I got last year, the candy cane, and then we are just going in with different flat back stones that I have. I have some crystal, I have some opal that I'm using, as well as reds, and I came in with the silver caviar beads. So I am just going to hush up and let you watch me do crystal placement. So this is another nail. I think this is like the middle nail, and here we are going to do another one of my typical favorite designs, and that is like the swoop curve and the focal point in the middle of the nail, and then a bunch of designs. So enjoy. on this last nail, I wanted to play around with some more shapes. So I'm just putting some glue down, and then I'm going to put on a red. I'm not sure what this shape is called. I cannot think of it right now, but I'm putting a red one on. Then I have a little silver. And then we're just going to fill in the empty spaces with some more crystals and try to create a design using shape rhinestones. And here is the final look. I think these still came out very cute, even with their little complications. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time, bye!